Image manipulation tool in GIMP. The third set of tools allow applying various transformation effect and modification in the image or drawing. Move and rotate tool. Move tool allows moving the whole image or a selection around the canvas. You can select what to move from the tool options. Rotate tool. Rotate tool allows rotating the image or a selection by desired degrees. You can select what to rotate from the tool option. Scale, crop, shear and perspective. Scale tool allows to change size of the selected region. Select desired region with the selection tool. Pick scale tool and click over the selection. Drag the selection handles to resize the region. Crop tool allows removing the undesired part of the image. Using crop tool, select the region of the image you need to keep. Press enter key, unselected region will be cropped. Shear tool allows destroying an image or selected region in the form of parallel lines. Pressing enter key applies the shearing. Perspective tool is used to change the perspective of an image or selected region. Pressing enter key applies the shearing. Wrap, transform and flip. Wrap transform tool allows applying wrap effect on the selected region. Using suitable selection tool, select the desired region. Select wrap transformation tool and apply with careful hand over the selection. Flip tool turns around the selected region horizontally or vertically depending on the option selected in the tool option. Healing, blur, sharpen, smooth, dodge, burn tool. Healing tool allows smoothen the region of image like removing spot, making edge smoother in a picture, removing wrinkles, etc. Click on healing tool and press Ctrl and click on the part of image to pick color which you need for healing. Release Ctrl key and then click on apply healing carefully on the desired region of the image. Blur or sharpener tool is used to blur desired part of an image mix well with adjacent colors. For example,